treacherous section. Okay, got through there. Gotta concentrate. Don't want to be talking right now. Alright, that's the worst of it. Pretty steep drop off on the side of that rock face, so you don't want to lose your balance. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go most of the way to the little waterfall, and then there's a little section I found where you can go down to the power lines and start going back. So we're going to try that, see what it looks like. Make for a little shorter ride. Oh, a lot of logs here. Oh yeah, this is a tough one today. We're already feeling pretty worn out. The more you stay on the bike, the less issues you have. Really conserves your energy. Once you fall a couple times, you got to pick up the bike. Really wears you out after that. So better to be a little more conservative and stay on the bike usually. So gonna stay in first, gonna go a little bit slower than usual. Try not to have any wipeouts. Okay. Wow. Going up a lot of these hills, the back end is actually sliding out, and here's the little turn off I was talking about. Usually we go straight ahead there, but we're gonna try this little section right here. Spits you back out at the power lines. Ooh, I'm gonna take a little breather here. Clutch hand's definitely a little worn out today. It's gonna get a little muddy here for sure. Try not to get stuck. Alright, that wasn't bad. Try to give the clutch hand a rest. Don't need to be modulating too much here, but here's gonna get a little sketchy. Whoa, completely sideways. Oh boy, oh boy. Keep it going. Oh yeah, keep it going. Try to sit on the front of the bike. Don't want to lose the steering. Alright, where's the trail? Where's the trail? Alright, there it is. And this is the main trail through the power lines. Gonna go up a little bit. Then we're gonna, oh Jesus, a lot of water. Oh boy. Wow, that was sketchy. I usually try to gas it through the water and mud. Make the front end really light so it doesn't wash out. Alright. The rest of this shouldn't be too bad. Alright, we gotta look for the turn off here from the power lines. Okay, not this one. One way. Go a little further. Yeah, some big rocks here. Trying to look ahead of me, but when you got those big rocks coming up, it's hard to not look directly in front of your fender, which is a pretty bad habit. But jump over that log real quick. Alright. So this is basically the way back. A little bit of a faster route, less rocky. But got a feeling it's going to be real slippery. Let's see how this goes. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I was gonna lose traction over that rock, over that log. Excuse me. Alright, maybe we should try second gear. First gear is causing a lot of wheel spin right now. Alright, try to go in second gear, make the bike a little less jerky. Woo! Down this hill. Left turn over here. Oh, branch to the face. Trying to pick the lines here a little better, make my life a little easier. Okay, right turn here. Check for that branch. Really sliding around everywhere. Barely giving the bike any throttle, but the tire's just spinning like crazy. Okay, alright. Right turn. Oh, gotta go straight there. Try to gas it over those logs. Don't want the front wheel slipping out again. Okay, nice little rocky section here. Alright. Straight down this hill. And over here. Oh boy. Wet one today. I feel like this kind of slow riding, slipping around, actually takes more energy than when you're going fast over stuff. When you're going fast, the bike kind of almost glides over the rocks, but at this speed it's just really bouncy.